With new VAT changes coming up, we want to make updating your system as easy as possible. The VAT Rate Change Tool is a free app designed to help you update your product tax rates across your entire system in just a few clicks. To get started, log into your back office and head over to the App Store. Go to My Apps and find the VAT Rate Change Tool. If you don't see the app, you'll need to use the store search to install it first. Press Setup and scroll down to the Quick Edit Product Tax Rate section. This is where you can download your tax rate template as a CSV file. Open the downloaded CSV file in a spreadsheet editor, like Google Sheets. Locate the column containing the product tax rate and simply change the numeric value for the specific items you want to update. Any rows you leave unedited will remain completely unchanged in your system. Once you're finished editing, go to File, select Download, and save it as a CSV. Head back to the VAT Rate Change tool and scroll down to the Upload section at the bottom of the page. Re-uploading takes just 3 quick steps. First, click Choose File and select your updated CSV template. Next, press Upload to see a quick confirmation of your sheet. Finally, press Import to actively apply the changes to your back office. To see the changes in your back office, simply head back over to your product list. You'll see your newly updated tax rates sitting right next to your items, letting you know everything processed successfully. And that's it! Your new product tax rates are live, and you're all set. For more tutorials, head over to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!